Yo, hello guys, this is Audio Shop Indo. For today, I want to talk about Audio Technica. Yeah, Audio Technica product. This one I want to share information about the Bluetooth from Audio Technica. The one that I have here is Audio Technica ATH CKR 35BT. This one Audio Technica, yeah, this one, this is the type. Okay, I'm starting from the beginning, from the design. Yeah, the design is there is two colors. This one is black, the other colors is silver. So the design is very slim. As you can see, this is in ear. Yeah, very nice clear sound. Here is the control talk. Control talk, and this one is there is a clip, and this place is for the battery. Yeah, this one is for the battery. As you can see, why it is clip, because I don't know why. Okay, maybe it has to be clipped at the color. This one, maybe. Okay, yeah, use it like this. Okay. The material is very fragile. Yeah, it's very fragile. I think the rubber is easily damaged. Yeah, as you can see that we already fixed this one. Has a problem with the inner cable, and actually there are two. Here is the one. This one problem with cables can be saved. This one problems with the controller, it cannot be saved because the material, as you can see, yeah, this is inside the controller. There is the charging port, the frequency for Bluetooth, and the IC chip. There is the button. No, there's a button. 1, 2, the yellow one is the button. Yeah, this is the battery. The battery is still in good condition for this one, but unfortunately the machine is dead. There is no spare part for it, so actually I want to suggest the user to modify it to cables again, rather than this one is cannot be used. Okay, there is two colors. This one is silver, this one is black. Okay, so the conclusion for this product ATH CKR 35BT is very light to wear, very simple to use. The sound quality is no doubt about it because this is Audio Technica. And again, the minus is like this. The cable, yeah, it will torn apart, and in worst cases, yeah, the board is dead. There is no spare part. Unfortunately, there is no spare part at all. Okay, I will give another review about others. Audio Technica again. Audio Technica M40, M30, and M50 is the most famous headphone from Audio Technica. Okay, thank you for watching. This is a review, the plus and the minus from Audio Technica ATH CKR 35BT. Comment and subscribe at our Audio Shop Indo YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.